Move on to welding. We make a trial roller on a plate 0.5 millimeters and look at the behavior of the arc. Look. How quickly do arcs stabilize at the beginning of welding? And here it must be said, device shows directly reference behavior. Arc stabilization in the beginning happens just instantly, and missing some shooting at the beginning of welding, which is on most modern devices. At the same time in the settings, was chosen just 0.5 millimeters, without any corrections, with a thickness of 0.5 millimeters. The apparatus is coping superbly. There's just nothing to find fault with.